participant in the first robotics competition, it is evident that the Quarks have come a long way from where we started. After an intense first year, winning the Rookie All-Star Award and competing in the Atlanta Championships, we improved our placing the following year. Each year, our team has expanded, grown, and matured, and this year we have our biggest, most diverse team yet. More people means more ideas. We help make the most of this by participating in a Project Adventure team-building activity where we had to work together to complete obstacle courses. We realized that even though we had different ideas, we still had one main goal in common: to be the best team that we could be. This year, we have also continued to reach out to the community. We presented the robot at Watertown's annual Fair on the Square event in the fall. We had a great and colorful display set up where we answered people's questions and tried to generate enthusiasm for the team. We ran the robot, which was a big hit, especially for the younger children. Our annual presence at the Fair on the Square allows our community to get a sneak peek into the world of robotics. In the off-season, we worked on a community service project in which we designed a new wheelchair attachment for a local disabled child, Max. It was difficult for Max to walk because of a developmental setback. His family was forced to carry a wheelchair and walker wherever they went. We decided to create a wheelchair attachment that would make it easier for him to walk. This way, it was much easier for the family to travel because now they could carry one item instead of two. Once we saw him smile, we knew that we had made a difference. It's our third year, and we've experienced many new challenges, but we've also learned to rise to the occasion and apply our knowledge.